MURAIBATU RONGGEng pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've come across MURAIBATU RONGGEng, you might wonder whether it's worth the price, but most people get this wrong by assuming all traditional performances or cultural products have the same value. MURAIBATU RONGGEng refers to a traditional Indonesian performance combining music, dance, and ritual storytelling. Ticket prices vary widely, typically ranging from to depending on venue, duration, and included activities. Special packages with food, souvenirs, or VIP seating cost more. What you get: a rich cultural experience, live music and dance, insight into local traditions, and sometimes interactive participation. What you give up: price may seem high for brief performances, and travel or additional costs may be necessary for authentic experiences. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check performance duration and included features. Step 2. Compare ticket options: VIP, standard, or group packages. Step 3. Factor in transportation or accommodation if traveling to remote areas. Step 4. Assess personal interest in cultural immersion versus casual entertainment. You won't believe what happens next if you undervalue the experience. MURAIBATU RONGGEng can leave a lasting impression and deepen your understanding of Indonesian heritage. The surprising truth is that pricing often reflects the skill, preparation, and cultural significance behind the performance. In conclusion, MURAIBATU RONGGEng is more than a show, it's an immersive cultural experience. Understanding what you pay for ensures you get the most value and appreciate the artistry fully.